Pare ke tshwere Sparks la mbona le Luna o tshwere Matsi mate was Speak and Frostan. If you don't drink this water, then I don't know. My brother, please introduce yourself to our viewers. Wethu ngegama lakho nesibongo sakho nokuthi uhlalaphi and namhlanje buzoyenzani la egroundini.
Hayi igama lami Sibabale sibongo sami uCwayi ngihlala eTlovatini ngidlala iCF Astana bengizodlala i-semi-final la namhlanje.
Okay, so how did you find game yakho yanamhlanje? How do you think team yakho perform kanjani and now as an individual?
Be interesting because iswinile 3-1 assistile yabajita abakorini.
So uSparks yena vele uqale nini ukudlala ibhola and what made you ukuthi ukhethe ukudlala ibhola?
Ngidlala 2011 Inspire maluma bekadlala ibhola wadlala Cape Town City mara bekangakafiki ku first team bekadlala kwi MTC.
Ubani wami wakho?
uSiphamandla Dlamini.
Siphamandla Dlamini.
Yeah.
Okay. So inspiration uyithole kuye?
Ngithole kuye.
So if bongadlala ibhola, what else would you be doing? Okay. Sekuthiwa mhlambe manje you go pro and udlala ibhola obviously pursue i-career yakho ebhola. What else would you choose besides ibhola?
Angiboni ukuthi khona into engayichoose ngithanda ibhola since ngisasemncane ngidlala ibhola ikhenye into engike ngayizama ukuyenza.
Okay. So ku PSL imapha ama team our favor or team favor and your 3 best players?
Angifavor Orlando Pirates. Cameron Dansini, Siphombule noMakgopa.
Okay. Kule 3 le o mentionile ne start 1, bench 1 and sell 1.
Hard. Okay, ngizoqalisa uSiphombule. Bench uMakgopa ngithengisa uDansini.
Okay. So kancane nje vele uthi shout out to Speak and Frostan uveza amanzi wethu.
Shout out to Speak and Frostan.
Sharp. Thank you so much for your time.
Ngiyabonga.
Yeah.